Today I'm going to be using my cafe. I want to make my face mask. I use it sometimes 2 times a week. So today I want to use my face mask for dark spot. What I'm going to be needing: cafe, lemon, and mink. So let's make it. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, thank you so much. My name is Jenny, and do not forget to subscribe before leaving and on your notification button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting you guys time, let's start. So I'm going to be putting 2 spoons of this because I'm going to use it all over my body, my neck side. I will take my shower before I will come and do my face routine. So this is it. I have 2 spoons. Is here. So the next I will add 1 tablespoon of milk, or you just add little. So the next thing is add your lemon. So you notice when you add your lemon, it becomes watery. But it's cool. That's how we are going to use it. So I'm going to apply it on my body. You just apply it wherever you know. You remove stretch mark, wherever you know you want the thing to clear from, like dark spots. Wherever you want to apply it, just apply it and leave it. Then after you wash it away. So guys, before you use this cafe, because you are going to mess up everywhere, you need to pull off. Since I'm going to take my shower, I'm just going to apply it. If you have brush, you can use it, but I'm going to be using my hand.
Start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch?
So these are the parts I want to apply. Okay. even your stomach, everywhere. When you just give birth, you want to clear stretch mark. You can also apply it on any part like this. So we are going to wait 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll come up in and take my shower. So stay tuned. Okay guys, it like is okay now. I'm going to wash it away. Like everything is stiff, and that is what I want. So I'll see you guys when I finish wash.
Shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you are still watching to this extent, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and on your notification button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.